Welcome to another episode of Alan's Collection, Unboxing Edition. Today we have for you 4 boxes, so let's see what they have inside. So let's begin. So let's check out box number 1. Oh wow, it's a big one, guys. And it's an SH Figuarts Bandai figure. So let's open it even more. And we have none other than one of Frieza's commanders. One of General Frieza commander, and we're talking about Sarbon, but this is not the regular Sarbon. This is the true form of Sarbon, guys. And remember, he had to sacrifice his beauty in order to stand a chance with Vegeta. But did he stand a chance with Vegeta? We will find out in the review, guys. Okay guys, it's time to check out box number 2. See what it brings here. A lot of bubble wrap, guys. Wow, look at this, guys. And here we have Fancy Realm NECA, guys. And this is a character from Chinese culture, mythological culture, and he's a demon, a reincarnation of a demon that may or may not destroy the earth. We shall find out very soon in the review. And because I ordered a deluxe figure, it brings some extra cool stuff, guys. So oh, sorry. It's time to open box number 3. And here we have... What am I doing here? Oh, this is Moon Knight. 1/6 scale Hot Toys collectibles. Let's check it out. Oh, what do you know, guys? Here we have 1/6 scale Hot Toys Moon Knight figure. So let's check it out. How long is this going to take? And of course, I will feel so honored if you see this review, guys. Okay, guys, let's check out box number 4. Let's see what it brings. Start with this awesome statue from Fallout, and this is Lucy McLean, all the way from Vault 33, guys. Look at that, very cool. Next we have the Sentinel of Liberty, Marvel's Captain America from Mafex, looking very bright, nice bright colors, guys. Wow, was really looking forward for this. Next we have the Devil of Hell's Kitchen, and this is Daredevil himself, guys, in his classic red outfit, guys, as well from Mafex. Next we have, from the Archie comics, we have NECA's Belly Bomb, guys, from the TMNT. Look at that, Belly Bomb. Next we have, from Mirage Comics, the daughter of Orokusaki, Karai herself. Very cool, guys. Very nice. Next we have a classic figure, NECA Ultimates TMNT Panda Can, guys. Look at that. Wow, it's huge. Very cool. Reminds me of a panda that I used to have back when I was a kid. From the cartoon line, NECA TMNT Slash, guys. Very cool. Look at that. Wow, very cool. Next we have, again from the TMNT world, NECA Mirage Casey Jones, looking angry and gritty. Casey Jones, very, very cool. Next we have another character from the Archie Comics line, Mondo Gecko, and he's looking very colorful. The classic friend of the turtles, Mondo Gecko, guys. Looking really great. And next we have Ultimate Super 7 TMNT Punker Don, guys. Check that out, guys. Very, very cool. Wow. Look at the details of that figure. Very nice. And last but not least, not a TMNT, but a classic character, two classic characters from the Dragon Ball Z series. And we're talking about Tenshin Han and Shiatsu, guys. Look at that, very, very cool. Dragon Ball Z. Do we have more? No, we don't. That's it. Okay guys, we have a very nice haul here. We have some Dragon Ball characters, we have a lot of TMNT characters, and we even have a mythological character from the Chinese culture. And we have some figures from Fallout, and even more TMNT, and the Devil of Hell's Kitchen. So, very cool guys. And I'll see you next on Alan's Collection.